What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to cancel Crunchyroll Premium membership. First thing first, open a web browser and visit crunchyroll.com. Sign into your account using your email and password. Then, when you're done, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the homepage to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Settings, then in General section of Settings, click on Membership Info to view your subscription details. Now scroll to your membership details and click on the Cancel Subscription button. On the confirmation page, just click Cancel Premium or Cancel Premium Plus membership to finalize the cancellation. Your premium benefits usually remain active until the end of the current billing period, and if you subscribe through a third party such as Google Play, Apple App Store or Roku, you'll need to cancel through that service instead. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.